What's going on, everybody? We are back today. It is windy. I feel like I'm about to blow away, but it is like 50 degrees. It's spring. Yes, I can make it tighter. Come here. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Had to make his hat tighter so it didn't blow away from all the wind. We are out here accomplishing the chores that my wife has put upon me. We got rid of our horses. We sold one passed away, so we had all this space, and we're like, what in the world are we going to do with it? I guess we're bringing in goats. You can call me the goat, because this is the greatest of all time. We're reusing the fence posts. What's the matter? Your tractor is charged. If you give me 2 minutes, I'll get it for you, okay? Go hold the door.
I'll go hold it. Daddy,
all right, that's your trailer. Oh, got it. Go ahead, hop on, get her out of the way. And you're going. Yeah, buddy, watch my phone.
We have a riot.
There you go, hop on. Let's turn yours on. And you're off. Go ahead, push it. So we're out here again. We are reutilizing these fence posts, and we have 2 pens going. This is the pen for either does or bucks, not sure which one she's going to use. Then you walk over this little area right here, and I'll step back and get better footage. Walk over into this section, and then we've got another pen set up. I have to build the houses, and we're going to use all recycled stuff because that is the theme of... Harper just found the mason line. That's the theme of this page. We do a lot of stuff with not a lot of money because we're cheap. I work a whole lot. I don't like to spend it on this stuff, so we don't. So you can see a little bit better from this angle. That's going to be one area right there. This area is going to be all mulched with raised flower beds. And then over here is the other area. So today, because it's too windy really to work out here too much because the temperature is pretty cold, I'm going to build some raised flower beds. If you see in our yard, we've got a bunch of these cedar trees. They're technically junipers, I believe. We had to cut 2 down when we built the addition over there on the left side of the house. Yes, your mom is allergic to those. But we cut 2 of those down, and I figured that's such a beautiful wood. We took it to the mill. We had it all milled. It's been sitting here for about 3 years now. So we've got a straight edge on one side. I'm going to rip these down into 4-inch boards and make our raised garden beds. Unfortunately, we need to do some spring cleaning in here, but we're going to work with what we have. Oh yeah, it's the Coulter 500 out here. Before we get to business, we are just going to have some fun with the family real quick, just a couple minutes, and then we'll start ripping these boards down. Harper, you got to drive it.
Oh, no.
Okay, you can push it. All right. I think I want to rip these into 4-inch boards.
You ripped me into it, sorry. I'm sorry, I apologize. What are you doing? What are you building?
Raised garden
My
beds.
raised garden beds, got it. Oh, sorry, are you filming?
Yep.
So sorry.
It's okay, I'm putting it in there.
I didn't realize.
I'm going to rip you.
No, I walked in front of your frame, opened it, done that.
Oh, I don't care. I'll just edit it out. All right. We're gonna have a real good time. I've been wanting to use this cedar forever.
Ooh, they smell so good.
I know.
How many are you making? 2 or 1?
However much I can get out of that stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I guess we could just put them other places if they don't fit. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
These are beautiful boards. If I planed this, so far I've been able to cut out 3, 4, 7, 8-foot lengths of the cedar. I'm getting ready to square it off now, and we got a whole pile of shorter lengths for like edging, trim work, whatever. And we still have a huge amount of cedar left sitting over here to be cut down. We barely used any so far, so this is looking really good. All right, so we got our first one done. When I look up cedar boxes, they, for whatever reason, the support's on the outside, and I kind of like it, so we're going to do that. 92 inches long by the time it's all said and done. I gotta just cut these off because they weren't square. I got this done with the square, so I know that that's a good 90-degree angle. And gonna do this again over here. We'll add some, we're gonna go 4 foot wide. So we'll cut 4-foot strips out of the extra strips over there. And we'll put it all together. What are you making? What do you want? You want me to screw it?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, you want me to screw all those pieces together?
Yeah.
Buddy, my screws aren't long enough. So I'm getting ready to put the last piece of cedar on to finish this 4-foot by 8-foot box. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out so far. This whole area, I'm going to put one more box back there, and then we're going to bring in 6 to 8 inches of mulch, and we're going to mulch real heavy. It's all cedar mulch to help with the insects and stuff.
Are we going to get mulch right now?
No, not right now, but we have it already. It's out front.
Are we going to bring some out here?
We will, yeah, just not right now.
Okay.
Okay? We did this project because it was too cold out here, so we built this in the shop. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
All right, go ahead. Got to make sure the head goes all the way into the screwdriver, or the screw. You want some help?
Dad, help me get it.
Okay. All right. So I'm bringing mulch in to level this, or to spread around, so I don't mind too much about a gap right here. So I'm just making sure it's nice and level. All right, so there is our raised garden bed. She checks out with a square.
So, with the square.
Yep.
This is actually a rectangle. This is actually a rectangle. Look. Look, guys. Look. Guys, look. Long side right
She's
there.
pretty darn.
Short side right there. Long side right here. Short side right there.
Yes, you're right, buddy. It is a rectangle technically.
Mommy, we did it.
I mean,
that's why I bet as a rectangle.
It's a little off, but it ain't bad.
Any measures?